Today we will be learning about mutualism. Mutualism is a symbiotic relationship. A symbiotic relationship is an interaction between species, sometimes beneficial, but sometimes harmful. These relationships are essential to many organisms and ecosystems, and they provide a balance that can only be achieved by working together. The three main types of symbiotic relationships are mutualism, commensalism, and parasitism. But right now, we're just going to be focusing on mutualism. Mutualism is when an interaction between individuals benefits both parties. There are two types of mutualism, facultative and obligate. Facultative is when the species can live without their mutualistic partners. An example of a facultative relationship is between hummingbirds and flowers. Hummingbirds feed on the nectar of various flowers, and in the process gets pollen attached to it. Then the hummingbird transfers said pollen from flower to flower. But if for some reason that plant were to die, the hummingbird would still be okay because it could find food elsewhere. Likewise, if the hummingbirds were to die, then the plants would be okay. Obligate is when species are so dependent on the relationship that without it, they'd die. An example everyone is really familiar with is between plants and humans. Humans give off carbon dioxide, which goes into plants, which they convert into oxygen, which goes into humans, which we convert into carbon dioxide. And it's this long cycle. But if all humans died, assuming there's nowhere else plants could get their carbon dioxide from, then both parties would be dead. And if all plants died, then humans would have no way of getting oxygen and we'd all die. Just basically everybody would be dead. It's not a good situation. Another mutualistic relationship that can be found is between humans and the quote-unquote good bacteria in their digestive system. This is considered a mutualistic relationship because both parties benefit. The humans get aid in digestion while the bacteria remain alive. Well, I hope you learned something, and as always, thank you for watching.